Lips them chop. Hey YouTube, it's girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. We're about to crochet some hair in our hair, but with a twist. We're gonna be doing some crochet locks, guys. I've been wanting to do locks, well, faux locks for the longest time, the butterfly faux locks, and never really saw, no, I'm lying. I've seen some that I've wanted to do, yes. However, either it's too expensive, takes too long to do. I came across some faux locks by the Jana collection and I had to try it. So I got some faux locks from the Jana collection to try and I'm super excited and I hope it turns out great. Maybe the thumbnail looks good. Yeah, so if you want to see me put in some faux locks from the Jana collection, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. Alright y'all, so most of you have seen me review the Jana collection 2 times, when I did the Zara wig and when I did the, I think it's the Iman wig. Loved these wigs and you guys seem to really love the wigs too. If you guys do not know who the Jana collection is, they are a black-owned company that has a vast majority of hair you can think about. We're talking about natural hair wigs that will literally take your wig off. They're amazing and I think these faux locks are pretty new to their collection and I'm just happy that I actually got to try them. Alright y'all, so I got this big bag and I have not even seen what they look like. This is a lot of hair. I wanted a bob, or like, what do you call those? An asymmetrical bob where you come from here, go down. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get the asymmetrical action going on, but I'm sure as hell gonna try. So I got here the 3x butterfly locks in 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14 inches. And do you guys see the bob that's going on right now? This is my plan. Don't know how I'm gonna get that, but we're sure as hell gonna try. They come in a vast majority of colors. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this and show you guys what the hair is actually looking like. Like, yo, these bad boys look so amazing. So this is what the lock is looking like. Super distressed, butterfly effect. And what I love the most about it is that they're super thick. I need a thick lock, okay? I don't like these little straggly things that people be giving. No, I'm not about it. Today is not lock putting in day. It is braiding my hair for the lock put in day, okay? And then tomorrow I'm gonna wake up bright and early, put these bad boys in, and depending on how they come out, then a beat is going to take some pics. What is wrong with me? My hair has been blown out, and I say blown out because I didn't use direct heat, let's put it like that. I didn't use a flat iron. I did the tension method. Y'all, this is a lot of hair, right? I got this braiding pattern from Miss Naturally Mary. You guys should check her out. She is bomb as hell. She does really good makeup and really good natural hair. So you guys should check her out. Alright y'all, voiceover time. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle. This is just for the front, and then I'm just gonna part out the sides. So I'm just literally parting my hair into 3. So we have a left side, a right side in the front, and then the back. Be sure to kind of tie away the hair so they don't get snagged together whenever it is that you are braiding or pulling hair from different areas. It'll make putting in these locks a lot easier. So here you see me parting out the first bit. So we're gonna go in detail right now. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 rows on this side and 4 rows on that side. We wanna make sure that we have a center part just in case we want a center part, and a deep side part just in case we want, you know, that little throw over, okay? That little throw over. You guys know what I'm talking about. So that my parts are looking nice and smooth, I'm going to be using this brand new edge control that I've never tried before in my entire life. It is from Touchdown. They're like the OGs for whenever you're putting in braids and you want that kind of slick effect whenever you're putting in the braids. And SM Beauty went ahead and sent me these products. Right, so this is the edge control that I was talking about. You guys should go ahead and check out their Instagram so you guys can see the power of this edge control. It's ridiculously crazy how smooth your hair gets. I'm using the peach one. Just showing you guys what it's looking like so far. Can you guys see the two difference? One is like extremely fluffy and the other one is smooth. We're gonna be braiding in a checkered pattern in a sense. Well, not really, no. We're just gonna be braiding out the hair. As you guys can see, I've already parted the hair into two for this first row. So we have 4 rows on the left and 4 rows on the right. So I'm braiding my hair down, and then you want to join in the front braid with what you're about to braid in the second bit. So you see me trying to pull out the hair a little bit so that you can tell that it is 2 sections with just a braid going to each one. So here I'm just showing you guys a little bit slower. I feel like this method is a little bit more easier, where you put that first initial braid after you braided the first box into the middle, or the middle part of the 3, and then braid it down. Guys, it just makes your hair look a lot more sleeker, a lot more nicer, and you don't have to worry about it not being as sleek as you would like it to be. It's because you're kind of putting it here into the hair. You can't like do it too tight, and also too, I'm tender-headed and I do not need my hair to be tight at all, so this was fine for me. So I've already gone ahead and did the front. As you guys can see, I'll show you guys a little bit later, but I did go ahead and kind of part out the back because I wanted to go faster. I did use my fingers and part this out because I knew it would not have been, like, you would not have been able to see it anyway. I learned this trick from my friend Official Michelle. Shout out to you, girl, because this really made it go by really, really fast. As you guys can see, I am just joining the first part, or the front, with the back and just braiding down. I braid all the way down to the end, and then when I get to the second bit, I join the front to the back, and then I also join the last braid that I would have made at the back to the front. So funny trying to explain it to you guys, but you guys get the gist, right? You're just adding all the different parts to each other to make one and create a zigzag pattern. So this is what the back is looking like, looking really good. As you guys see, you can't see any parts at all. So that last braid, I'm gonna go ahead and pin it down, and anything else that felt loose. All right, y'all, hair is braided. I'm gonna go and sleep. It is late, and tomorrow we're gonna be putting in the locks. All right, y'all, it is the next day. I've been up since 7, so we're about to put these locks in, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm ready. I've already shot some TikToks. This better come out, you know, yeah. All right, let's get it. So let's see what our hair is looking like. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Just gonna show you guys the difference between the sizes. So we have here the 10-inch, the 12-inch, the 14-inch, right? The 14-inch. So you see how they stagger. What we're gonna be doing is adding the 10-inch to the back, the 12 to the middle, and the 14 to the top. Hopefully we can have that asymmetrical bob action. Yeah. I know a lot of people were complaining about the loop being too small, so we're gonna extend or open up that loop. And the reason why they were complaining was because of how thick this is. To get it in through here was always a challenge. You need a crochet pin like this. So you see the hook here. The hook is what you're gonna be pushing up, and then you're gonna put this in the loop, and then you're gonna clamp over like that, like so. And then you're gonna pull it, push this through, like, yeah, it's a thing, guys, it's a thing. All right, y'all, so this is the loop. I'm gonna go ahead and try one now and see how it's looking. Ooh, I look fresh. Ooh. And that's it. I messed up the end, so I'm going to try and tidy that up. Okay, we're back. This ain't bad. This is not bad at all. I just need to make sure the loop is big and then push it through. Take my time and push it through because the ends are a little bit tricky for some of them, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a bunch of these things into my hair, get my groove, and then when I get a little bit closer to the top, I'll explain a little bit more in detail and show you guys closer. All right, y'all, so this is my hair after 1 pack of the 10-inch. So it's not looking too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more. Right here, I'm gonna start adding the 12-inch. I'm gonna open up the loop as usual and just go through. Guys, don't worry, I'll show you in more detail when I get to the front. But this is just to kind of speed through and show you guys how the hair is really working. As you can see, it's a bit tricky getting the hair in because it's so bulky. I try my best to get it done. Some of them went through smoother than some, but y'all just be patient and it'll be great. So in the front here, I'm going now slower. I'm putting in the 10" to the first row in the front. As you guys can see, I'm putting through the pin, the crochet pin, and looping the hair through. So I latched the latch first, and then I'm looping the hair through. And again, you want to make sure the hole or the loop is big enough. And then I'm just taking my time, opening up the loop, and then pushing the hair through. After I would have pushed the hair through the initial first portion, now I'm trying my best to kind of round out the loop. So I look for the loop where it started at the base and kind of run my fingers around the loop so that it creates that smooth groove so the hair can actually get through easier. So just take your time, you know, don't worry about it, don't get frustrated. Trust me, at the end of it, it's gonna be all worth it. So this is me just kind of getting through it and not bringing the loop to the end, because you want it to look, you know, as natural as possible. So here you see me doing it again, looping it through. And again, I'm not pulling it all the way through. I'm stopping at a good part in the, well, at the top of the hair. And just to make sure that it's not looking too loose when you bring out the loop because of how much I stretched out the loop. So I'm just gonna speed through, get this hair in there. Then I'll show you guys a little bit closer up at the top. But yeah, this is just me speeding through. Now I'm going to add the 14" to the top. So I think I may have added it a little bit too late. I should have added it a little bit lower down. I'm also trying to put it in each section that I would have braided. So each square, I'm trying to make sure that I put one in the middle there. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Y'all, it came out even better than I expected. Do you guys see the asymmetrical vibe that's going on right now? Yeah, me do that. Me do that. I did that. In hindsight, looking at it, it looked like it would have been easy. Granted, it was easy, but because of how chunky the hair is, or hair was, it was kind of hard to get it into the holes, the little loops. But just make sure that you open up the loops quite big. But overall, my hair came out really, really nicely. I love the edge control. I cannot believe that the edge control did me like this. I hope my instructions, you know, were easy to follow, because it was pretty easy. It's just like crochet. But yeah, everything is looking sleek and nice, as if I went to the hairdresser. Yeah, I'm the hairdresser at this point. But overall, love this hair. You guys should definitely check them out. I try my best to link everything that I've used down in the description box down below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know, was this something that you think that you'd be able to do? So let me show you guys the center part before I head out. This is what my hair is looking like in a center part. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. It's short, it's still a little asymmetrical going on. I love the fact that the hair is not freaking long. Like, it's just so different. I look different. I love it. And then I can also go ahead and do this other side the same way. And it's just a vibe. It's a vibe, y'all. You can get away with 2 packs, but I think like if you want that full look, definitely use about 3 packs. Like just get 3 packs. I still have a lot left over from the 3rd pack. All right, y'all, so that's it for this video. I want to send a special shout out and thank you to the Janet Collection for sending me this hair. Absolutely unequivocally love this hair. And to you guys that's been watching, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part. Enjoy the bloopers. Literally trying to film and this deep voice guy is just talking. So I got some faux locks from the I almost made it, guys. I almost made it. They're all over in blue tea. What's blue tea? All right, real red. I can't even speak right now. I feel low as hell.